Control number 43172, please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am, sir. I'm Opheline De Mesa. I'm 29 years old. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and 6 sisters. I'm 7 in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm college graduate at Imaimits College, Philippines.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To earn money and to support my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am, but I'm experienced in the Philippines to take care of babies and children.
What can you do for babies and children?
To give bath, feeding, play with them, and change clothes and diaper.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, ma'am.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cook, baking,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food, and Italian food and Filipino food, like adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
Honest, responsible, and hardworking.
Dream is understanding of your employer. What do you do?
Say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
You treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Hi, ma'am, sir. I promise to you, I finished my contract to 2 years and more than. Thank you.